bringing it.
Hello everyone, welcome to the brand new video of Luminar, which is an AI powered tool. And in today's video, I wanted to share you the power of artificial intelligence. So here I have already placed an image of a guy and I want to blur the background, and in I have already placed another image and I want to change the sky. So just go to the edit section and on in the tools bar, just down the, and you can see sky option. Just select this sky selection and select the sky you want to add. It takes time. You can change your sky whatever you want. And if you want to download more skies, just click on this get more skies option. Now let's come to another image and I want to blur the background. So go in the edit section, just find portrait bokeh here and increase the amount. If you see, the background is blurred. And guys, in this video, I am not here to talk about all the Luminar tools. My main motive is to tell you that it's quite very easy and consumes less time than Photoshop. In Photoshop, we can select the subject and create depth map to blur the background. And for the sky, we can select the sky and then replace the another sky and match the tone, whatever. So thank you for the watching and subscribe the channel for the latest updates and press the bell icon, and please leave a comment, will AI replace designers or not? Thank you.